I ran a test to see how much I could make using search-based YouTube affiliate marketing. So this is a strategy that has been around for many, many years, but not actually a lot of people actually implement this on a daily basis or a weekly basis. So I used to do this like back in the day, like 2015, and it worked out pretty good. And now I'm doing it again, and I'll show you what it is right now. So I'm just on this website called Warrior Plus, and that's the marketplace where you're going to find all the products. And I did a couple of promotions using this search-based YouTube affiliate marketing strategy, and I was actually actually made $50. You can see their affiliate sales is $50.50. Now I only got about 98 views to actually generate these $50.50. So that's a $515 RPM, like you read in the title. So that means, okay, so to work that out, I just went to Claude, and it means I'll make $515 per 1,000 views on average, if I continue this strategy. And I'm running this strategy not on my main search based channel. I'm running this on an old channel that's pretty much a dead channel right now, and the views are really low per video. But as you continue to do the strategy, your baseline views per video will increase, and you'll make more and more affiliate commissions. So that was a nice proof of concept that the method still actually works in 2026. So we can take a look at some of the stats. So if you go to affiliate and then you click on stats, you can sign up for Warrior Plus. You can create a free account and start basically promoting. So today, I haven't been doing many launches in the last week, this week, sorry. So there's no clicks on my links today, but I'll go here and go to the last 30 days. And you can see these 104 clicks right here from Newbie Success Formula. You can ignore those. Those were from a different traffic source. So if I basically take, so I generated here, you can see if I go to the top, 149 hops, which means clicks onto my affiliate link, and I generated $50.50. But you need to take away the 104. So basically from the YouTube videos that I did upload, I got 45 clicks to my affiliate links. I made 2 sales and I made $50. So that's almost $1 per click on my link that I generate, which is really, really good. And this strategy is really simple. You can do this alongside your normal search-based strategy. So that's a good proof of concept. So I'm going to continue this method. I'll update you. I'm also going to be doing training modules about this in my school community. So if you want to get access to that, you can click the first link in the description. So you can see you just need a very small amount of clicks. 21 clicks, 1 sale, $22 for that particular day. On the 19th of July, I made 1 sale of $22. So right now, starting from scratch again, basically, I'm pretty much averaging a sale a week. I'm hoping to get this to a sale a day, and then basically get to $100 per day in affiliate marketing commissions. So here's the channel that I'm actually doing this method on. It's just my name right now. It's got 11.3 thousand subscribers. This used to be an old Making Money Online channel that I had. I used to post about making money online strategies and things like that. But this channel actually got demonetized because I was uploading shorts. It got hit with inauthentic content. So I just unlisted all the videos, and now I just have 8 videos right here. And you can see these are all the review videos that I did. Okay, that one's not a review video, but this one is Steamy Co-Author Review plus Bonuses. This was a follow-up to the Steamy Co-Author product, Holy Ink AI, Thumium Review, Commission OS review, Saga Post review, AI Rocket Reader. So you just continue to do these reviews, and they're really simple. All you need to do is get access to the product by getting a free review copy of the product. You email the product creator and say you're doing a review video on YouTube and you would like a review copy, and sometimes they deny you, but most of the time they will actually send you that review copy. And you can see I just record. These take about 15 to 20 minutes to create these. You can see I'm just doing about 2 uploads per week on the channel. 2 to 3 launches per week is more than enough to start making some consistent affiliate sales. And you can see the views are really low. 40 views on that video, 20 views, 41 views, 14 views, 26 views, 16 views, and these are still generating sales. So this one generated a sale. Steamy co-author, I got a sale, 40 views on that one. And Holy NKR also made a sale, 41 views on that video. So you don't need thousands and thousands of views to be able to make these affiliate marketing commissions. As you can see, if I go into the analytics of this channel, in the last 28 days, I just got 170 views and it's demonetized, and I'm getting about 15 to 20 views a day right now. But like I said, if I continue to upload these videos, I'm going to build the subscriber base of people that are all interested in these sorts of products. And then when I release a new review video, a larger majority of the subscribers will click on it, and I'll actually get like 200 to 300, 400 views per video on these review videos. And that's when you start really making $100 days, $150 days, $200 days. So this is just the early stages. You can see I just posted a handful of videos. Okay, so that's really great. You just get access to the review copy, but you may be asking, where do you actually find these launches to be able to know about them so that you can prepare for them, release your video on day 1 of the launch? So you actually go to this website right here. It's called muncheye.com. And you just scroll down here and you have big launches and you have all launches. So you can see that on a daily basis, there's multiple launches of these affiliate marketing products. So for me, my strategy is to just go with the Warrior Plus ones. You can see the ones that say Warrior Plus, but just today, the 23rd, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 products getting released on a daily basis. And you can pick 1 or 2 of them. I would just do 1 because you have to actually do the video and stuff. It takes time. So I'm just doing 1 launch on a day. But you can see that there's multiple launches on these days. The 24th, there's a whole bunch. Okay, so I'll do separate videos on how to pick the best products. In my next video, I'll talk about how to identify what is a really good launch that you can potentially go after. And then you can make a review video. And then what you do is you just where's Warrior Plus? You go to Warrior Plus, you will go to offers, and then what you will do, I'll just go here and click on approved only offers, and then you see once you're approved, all your links will be here. You can see I've got a whole bunch of links. You just click on get link, and there you'll see your affiliate link right there. You put that in the link in the description of your video, and you will be able to earn commissions every time someone goes ahead and buys their product through your link. Okay, so that's how you get your affiliate link. Really easy, but you actually have to request approval for these links. Just say in your request that you plan to do a review video on YouTube on your channel, and most likely they will approve you for that product to go ahead and promote. So $50.50, and you use this platform called Muncheye to come up with all the different products to promote. So for an example, if I just go here and let's just click on this one right here. This one's launching today, Daniela Malandri. Okay, what you can do is you can click on it and they'll actually give you resources here. It'll tell you the price. So it's $17. And the commission percent is 60%. So that's a really good one. They have this joint venture page right here that you can take a look at. So if you take a look at the JV page, you'll be able to see everything about the product. At the top, you can request your link right there. And then you can see all about the product, so you can get all the information. And then you can see the funnel. You want to talk about these bonuses. in your review video. So talk about your bonuses, or talk about the bonuses that the product creator gives. And you also need to give custom bonuses to your buyers that you create yourself. For me, I just use Claude to be able to create bonuses. I'll show you how to do all of that, picking the best product and creating bonuses in the next video on the channel. But you want to include all the stuff in your actual review video. And usually they run about 10 to 15 minutes, these review videos. You want to talk about all the pricing and everything, and then you'll have an A+ review video that you can upload onto your channel. And just do this consistently. You may not make any money on your first couple launches, but as you grow your channel with subscribers, more people are going to be interested in your products and you'll make more money. So this was my initial test. You can see the last 7 days, $22. That's nothing much, but as you continue to grow this can turn into $150 days pretty easily. So that's my initial test of this method. If you're interested in doing this method, you can go ahead and click the first link in the video description. It'll take you to my school community, and what you can actually do is you can go to the about page, or it'll go there automatically. You can start a 7 days free trial, and then it's $7 per month to continue. And what you actually get in the community, if I just go to the classroom, I've got the beginner's guide course and show you how to pick viral niches. The search mastery course is the main course. It's a full 5-hour in-depth training course that's going to teach you everything about search-based YouTube automation and how to grow and scale a successful channel. So that's the main course. Then we got weekly call recordings, or one live call every 2 weeks. So I'll post the recordings in there. Then I give you all my best training without ads, and you can even get one-on-one coaching. So that's available. And then I'm going to add this method into the community, so you can be early on that if you want. And this method's actually called launch jacking. So that's the first link in the video description, and that was my results for my initial test. I'll continue to do this method, update you guys, and drop any comments in the comment section down below on what you thought about this method, and I hope to see you in the next video.